Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of repairing the BIOS on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. To start, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a USB flash drive. First, ensure that your workspace is clean to avoid any static discharge that could damage your laptop's components. Begin by powering off your laptop completely. Next, disconnect all external devices and remove the power adapter. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the back panel screws carefully. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. There are usually 10 screws, so make sure not to lose any. Once the back panel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the cooling fan and other areas. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Now, locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. To reset the BIOS, you will need to disconnect this battery. Gently pull the battery out of its socket and wait for about 5 minutes. This will reset the BIOS settings to their factory defaults. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to get expert advice tailored to your specific issue. After waiting, reinsert the CMOS battery back into its socket. Make sure it is secure before proceeding. Next, you will want to reconnect the back panel. Align it properly and replace all the screws you previously removed. At this point, it's time to power on your laptop. If you see the Lenovo logo followed by a prompt to enter the BIOS setup, congratulations! You've successfully reset the BIOS. If the issue persists, it may be time to update the BIOS version. Download the latest BIOS firmware from Lenovo's official website onto your USB flash drive. To proceed with the BIOS update, restart your laptop and press the necessary key, usually F1 or F2, to enter the BIOS setup. Navigate to the update section and follow the on-screen instructions to select your USB drive and perform the update. If you're not comfortable with this process, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. We can handle the entire process for you, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Remember, with our service, there are no calls and no travel required on your part. Once the update is complete, your laptop will reboot. Check whether the BIOS issue has been resolved. If you still encounter problems, it's crucial to get a quote before any further repairs. We provide transparent pricing and professional service every step of the way. In conclusion, repairing BIOS issues on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon can be straightforward with the right tools and guidance. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.